How to delete search history on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete search history on YouTube. So first of all, open up the YouTube application on your mobile device, and then let me show you first of all what search history means. So it is the history what you have searched on YouTube. So as you can see, I've searched these keywords or these topics on YouTube. So if you want to delete your search history, what you'll have to do is simply swipe to the left of the search history you want to delete, and then an option will appear called delete. So simply tap on it, and then as you can see, you have successfully deleted an item from your search history. So you can simply do this for the ones which you'd like to delete. Simply swipe to the left and then tap on the option delete. Now you can keep on doing this for the items which you don't want to be shown on your search history, and you can do this for all of these searches as well. So that is basically how you delete search history on YouTube. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.